Hello Unnati.
Hello Tanish, Happy Republic Day.
Happy Republic Day.
Tanish, do you know that our country is the 7th largest country in the world?
Yes, that's huge. There is so much to be proud of.
Absolutely. But it's not just about the size of the country. It's about the hearts of its people. We all come together no matter where we are from to form one strong nation.
We may speak different languages, but we all share same love for India.
Yes, and that is what nationalism is all about. Working together to make our country better while respecting all its differences. Unity in diversity, that's our strength.